Okay, hi everyone and welcome back to Love You In. I hope you all enjoy this new setup. I'm trying some new things. I'm really trying to go harder with my food content. So I hope you all enjoy this cooking show / cook with me. We're making something really simple today. Something you can make on a quick weeknight. You'll love it, your family will love it. Go ahead and subscribe for more vegan recipes and more vegan cook with me's. And I'll see you all in the next video. And welcome back if this is not your first time joining us. And I hope you all stay. Hit the bell so you know the next time I upload some food content. And without further ado, let's get into making this taco salad. We've waited long enough. Let's talk about the basis and the bulk of today's taco salad. So for our protein, we're going to be using vegan crumbles. You can use any brand that you like. I'm using Gardein today because that's what I had in the fridge or the freezer. You could also add black beans to bulk this up a bit. I would love to add black beans today, but I don't have any. But if I did, I would. You can also bulk this up with some more protein by adding lentils. You can switch out the rice for quinoa for more protein. So this is definitely one of those meals if you're focused on getting your proteins in. It's easy to stack them on and the flavor just keeps building and it'll definitely keep you full. So those are some protein options. Today we're just going to be using our ground crumbles, like I said, from Gardein. We're going to be using some frozen corn. Pretty simple. And I have some frozen zucchini that I chopped up previously, and we're going to throw that in there too. This is a great meal to sneak vegetables into. So if you had some bell peppers, that would be nice. You can even steam some carrots and add that in there. And everything's going to blend together well. If you have some cabbage, you could saute some cabbage. You could throw some greens in here, throw some kale in here. It's just one of those meals that it's like no matter what you add to it, I honestly don't feel that you can mess it up. I know that's saying a lot, but that's how I truly feel. Taco salad is one of those things, it's hard to mess up. Okay, I hope I'm in focus, y'all. Like I said, you know, it's gonna get better. It only gets better from here. It only gets better from here. Let's get started. Let's get started. We went over what was going to be in our taco bowl. Let's talk about more specifics as far as how we're going to get this taco salad tasting good. So we're going to have rice. I'm cooking it with, we already discussed that we're cooking it with, we're going to get some flavor from that vegetable broth we're using, and we're going to add some lime juice to it after it's done. So we got some nice contrast of a citrus flavor that's going to go against our taco seasoning. We're just going to be using a plain little low sodium taco seasoning. This taco seasoning is actually from Aldi's. Simple little taco seasoning. You can get taco seasoning anywhere. It's even so easy you can make your own. Maybe one day I'll try that and I'll definitely make a video about it and let you know how it goes. So we're going to be using some taco seasoning for flavor. I may add a little smoked paprika and a little bit of garlic just to get a little bit of savory flavors going. What is going on with the camera? Okay. Okay, also in the taco bowl, we're going to be using gluten-free blue corn tortilla chips. Don't give up, don't give up, don't give up. Okay, now I'm just going to mix up the grounds. The zucchini and the corn. Add the taco seasoning. And you know what? For a little more flavor, I'm actually gonna grab some onion. I totally forgot I have onion in there that I can add to this, and that'll really give it some great flavor. I'm actually gonna grab some onion and minced garlic and throw it in here. Like, garlic belongs in every dish. And honestly, I damn near feel that way about onion as well. I guess I won't push it to say every dish, but I just feel like, ooh, you need them in a lot of dishes just to bring some flavors together. Put that to the side while I chop this onion up. And I have white onion as well in there, so we're just gonna use purple today. Okay. That wasn't too much onion, probably 1/4 of a cup. As y'all can see, I'm not really doing measurements here. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. I think I'm actually gonna add a little more zucchini in there because I actually have some fresh zucchini as well. And this is actually like a lot of mixture. Like, what's in this bowl, I feel like could definitely be 4 servings. Mind you, it's just babe and I. So I may be having this for breakfast or lunch tomorrow. And I'm always just trying to find little ways to sneak vegetables in. Taco salads, bowls are the perfect way to do just that. Gonna make it into a flat layer, or as flat of a layer as I can. Add the lid, and I'm gonna put a timer for 8 minutes and then check on it. And it's on a medium-low heat now. Okay, so that's been the 8 minutes. Looks perfect. I'm gonna actually turn the eye off. Mix it up. It's perfect. The zucchini's bright green. The corn is good. Onion is a little translucent. Perfect, 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 perfect. So at this point, everything is good to go. You can literally start building your bowl. I'm actually going to remove that from the eye. Let that chill out for a bit. Okay, let's check on this rice. Y'all, I thank the universe every day for this rice maker, because prior to having it, I promise you, it's like I couldn't make, I don't know what it was about rice, but it was always so hard to get right. I don't have a certain amount of lime that I add. I just add it until I feel like, yep, that seems like the right amount. Okay, so now that our rice is done, we've added our lime, our mixture is done, we're literally ready to go. We're ready to build our taco salad. And then after that, we'll be ready to eat. Oh, oh! I just get so excited. It's like my mouth is like watering thinking about the exciting flavors that's about to be going on. And really on the inside, I don't know how to act. I don't. I don't. I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, I'm all of the above. I'm getting all the feels. I'm getting all the feels. Let's just get into this beautiful, simple masterpiece. I want to start with our chips. And I have a bag where the chips are smaller. And don't throw the chips out when they look like this, y'all. This is the perfect time to put these chips to use. Going in with our organic spinach and arugula. I wish I had a bigger bowl. That would really be great. But that's okay. Go in with our rice. I love the rice texture. This makes it seem more hearty. Okay. Once we got our rice, we're gonna go in and add our veggies and crumbles right on top of that. Go in with your favorite taco sauce. Add in some vegan cheese. Top it off with some nice chunky spoonful of salsa right on top. Boom. Get you some tortilla chips and enjoy this nice and easy taco salad. Oh my gosh. Does that not look delicious? Does that not look delicious? You can't tell me that thing don't look good. As y'all can see, I'm ready to eat. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you try this recipe out, definitely let me know in the comments. You can also tag me on my food Instagram at Third Eye Foodie or on my personal Instagram at risremedies. Right now, I'm on a social media break, but I would love to see it when I get back on there. Bon appetit, enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next video.